Today's Clean With Me video is all about moving. We are moving from Texas to Tennessee, so we are cleaning before and after the movers. We're going to be doing some packing. We're also selling a lot of our furniture, so I'll show you guys what we're going to be selling or what we have already sold. So let's get started. Starting this video off with some of the things that we have sold or are getting rid of. Obviously, our bed is gone and we're just sleeping on this mattress for the past couple of days. So that's gone. We're giving my dresser to my sister. We no longer need that. Our couch and table are staying at this house. We are also selling the kids' bunk beds. I know a lot of you guys loved it, especially during Christmas time, but the ceilings in the new house aren't as high, so we decided to get new bunk beds for the kids, and we have sold this one. The guest bed, mattress, and dresser have also sold. Someone's coming to pick that up the day I was filming this. Did sell a couple other things, but the last things, the toy unit they used to have on this wall has sold as well. So now we're going to jump into some cleaning. The movers are coming in another day or so I need to make sure everything is put in its place so that when they do come and they start packing, everything is kind of organized and I don't have things from the living room in the kitchen or things from the office in the kitchen. I try to make sure everything is in the correct room and in the correct spot so that when you do unpack, the majority of your items are in the correct room. By the time you guys are seeing this video, we have already moved to Tennessee and the movers have already come and gone. Every time we move, we do a full unpack. So that means the movers unpack literally every box so that they can take all the boxes and trash with them when they leave. So it leaves us with a huge mess in the house, but it forces me to get things done. So there will be some videos coming your way. I already filmed a new house tour, so stay tuned for that. You guys know we've just been so busy. I haven't even been able to film. So I've been gone for 2 weeks now off of YouTube. Just traveling, packing, unpacking, staying in hotels, the movers, all of that is just pure chaos in the middle of a big move like this. But I cannot wait to get back on my weekly content. So stick with me, you guys. I have so many videos planned. Next is the kids' room. We did sell their huge toy unit, so all of their bins are on the floor right now. Everything with a lid will just be placed inside of a box, so I'm making sure all of the toys are in their correct container, so everything stays a little bit more organized. If you are new to my channel and you don't know what's going on, we move all the time. We are a military family. I think this is our 5th move in the last 7 years. I actually love going to new places, but I'm definitely gonna miss it here in Texas. This was one of my favorite duty stations out of all of them. We're gonna miss it, but I'm excited to go somewhere new. I grew up in a military family, so I'm definitely used to this lifestyle. And the only thing I hate is the whole unpacking, reorganizing, finding a new place for everything in the new house. So we're gonna get through this. I'm gonna film as much as I can.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be
One of the major things we make sure we do before the movers come, obviously, is pack our clothes. And this time around, I'm only packing about 2 weeks worth of clothes. And since we are driving to Tennessee, we're going to take maybe 2 days to drive. We're going to take our time. We are going to stay at a hotel. And then once we get to the new house, our stuff will not be there. So we are going to be staying in hotels as well. No washer and dryer. So I want to make sure I pack enough clothes. And I'm starting off with the kids' clothes. I'm just putting their stuff into their packing cubes. You guys have seen these packing cubes plenty of times. These are the best thing ever. I got them off of Amazon, so I'll try to remember to link them down below.
We can hold hands, but they don't know what we have is real love. Aren't you sick and tired of having to hide? I know a place, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
So the kids are all packed, so I'm going to move on to my stuff. I'm going to go ahead and pack my toiletry bag. All of my toiletries are full size, and if you guys didn't know, if you hire a moving company, they do not pack any liquids, so all of that stuff under your sink most likely will not be packed. They don't pack light bulbs, candles, batteries, cleaning supplies, nail polish, perfume will not be packed by the moving company. So if you want to take that stuff with you, you need to just get some clear containers like we do, throw it all in there and bring it with you in your car if you don't want to have to rebuy all of that stuff again.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby.
So in this blue pouch, I'm packing all of my go-to makeup for the next couple of weeks, but I do have this makeup travel case that I got from Amazon for all the rest of my makeup that I'm not packing with me in my suitcase. Really cool. It comes with dividers if you want to organize it a little bit better. I just throw all of my remaining makeup that I'm not packing in my suitcase in here, and then I also put that in a tote along with everything under our sink that the movers will not pack, so you guys will see that in a second.
Leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing.
This cabinet is finished and ready to be packed. Almost all of these are empty except a few hot tools in there that I'm not bringing with me and the things that you see. So now I'm going to start on the other side.
If you love me right, yeah. Oh, if you love me right, yeah. This could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives.
cabinet is empty and ready for the movers. Now we're gonna move on to the cleaning products.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I take another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me, 'cause I've been going fast.
The first day with a moving company is always your box day, so they come with a box truck and they literally just pack everything up and they tag every single box, they label every box, then the next day they load everything onto the truck.
You could feel the same, and maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure.
So the movers are gone and this is our last day in this house. We actually know the couple that's moving into our home and we are leaving our couch, our table, and some other things here. You'll still see some furniture. That's just because that stuff is staying here. But now it's time to kind of gather all of our belongings and clean as much as we can and as fast as we can, because the couple, they're actually bringing some of their stuff in a couple of hours. So I am gonna try to do as much cleaning as I can. I did a little bit more off camera because we had people coming in and out. We had our neighbors coming in and out to say their goodbyes, and I didn't want to have them on camera. So you'll see a lot of random cleaning from here on out.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. say. I've been feeling this way for far too long. And now you're gone. Took me away from all of my fears. Kept me away from all of my tears. Now you're gone. And now I'm lost. Finally, I think I can see clearly now.
This is gonna be the end of this video. I had to stop recording. One, I was losing daylight. Two, we still have people coming in and out, and the people that are actually moving in started to bring their stuff in. They're friends of ours, we know them, so our situation is a little bit different. That's it. The next video you'll see will probably be a new empty house tour, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.